According to some accounts, Buddhism spread in Sindh in the 3rd century BCE during the period of Emperor Ashoka of the Maurya Empire. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of the Maurya Empire, who was supported by kingdoms of Sindh and Punjab, defeated Greek dominance there. Sindh became a division of the Maurya Empire in 305 BCE, and during the Maurya Empire, Buddhism thrived in Sindh at large, particularly through the realm of Ashoka the Great. During the time of Mauryan rule, Sindhi monks attended the 2nd and 3rd Buddhist councils held in 278 BC and 253 BC. Faxian, a famous Chinese Buddhist monk, came to Sindh in 641 CE and recorded 88,000 stupas up to the borders of Sindh. Sindh was a hub of Buddhism during the Rai dynasty. Chak was a pioneer of the Brahman dynasty of Sindh. His brother Chandra was Buddhist. According to Chak Nama, a first written source material on the history of Sindh, during the monarchy of the Rai kings together with Brahmins, Buddhya country was a part of Sindh. Buddhism remained and flourished side by side with Hinduism in every part of Sindh up to the 13th century CE during the Sumra dynasty of Sindh. Stupas were considered as sacred and religious remains of Buddhism. There is a famous Buddhist stupa in Sindh called Thul Mir Rukan, situated at a distance of 10 kilometers from Daulatpur Safan to the east-south. It is built of brick with 4 tiers, each one smaller than the one below, surmounted by a dome. The tiers are ornamented with pilasters at intervals and are separated by string courses. This is a general view of the stupa, with a bush in the foreground. It was built possibly between the 6th to 11th century CE, near the modern cities of Qazi Ahmad and Daulatpur in the Sindh province of Pakistan. This monument has domed ceiling and it is 60 feet high, constructed with baked bricks. Details indicate the site being a religious Buddhist center since antiquity. Many evidences were explored from this site are related to Gautama Buddha. Early history of the Thul is shrouded in obscurity, with a little legend connected with it. It is said that a king who has no son wanted to preserve his name for endless time was advised by his council of ministers to erect this tower. It is a solid cylindrical structure, tapering at the top, constructed with a brick casing about 60 feet in height, stands over a square base about 66 feet in each side. Another stupa called the Thul Haro Khan is a Buddhist stupa, built possibly between the 5th and 7th centuries CE near the modern-day town of Johi, in Sindh, Pakistan. It is constructed with baked and unbaked bricks fixed with a material made from mud mixed water. The stupa is 50 feet high and 30 feet wide in size. The stair from the north side of the stupa leads to its top. The stupa has an arched tunnel at the ground level which crosses from north to south. It is believed that stupas like Haro Khan were built in Sindh between the 5th and 7th centuries CE. Thul of Haro Khan appears to be series of discovered in other regions of Sindh. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.